To withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device. You'll see the main interface with your cash balance and various options. Look for the Bitcoin tab in your Cash App interface. You can access it from the main screen or through the banking section. The Bitcoin section will show your current Bitcoin balance. Once in the Bitcoin section, look for the Withdraw Bitcoin button or the airplane icon. This will initiate the withdrawal process from your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. Next, you need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can either scan a QR code using your camera or paste the Bitcoin address directly. Make sure the address is correct, as Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can specify this either in Bitcoin units or in US dollar equivalent. Cash App will automatically convert between the two based on current market rates. Before confirming, carefully review the network fees and transaction details. Cash App will display the total cost including network fees, which can vary based on Bitcoin network congestion. Cash App has enhanced security features as of late 2024, including multi-factor authentication and biometric verification. Confirm your transaction using your PIN, Touch ID, or Face ID to authorize the withdrawal. Once confirmed, your transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Keep in mind that Cash App requires full identity verification for Bitcoin withdrawals above $250 per week due to strengthened Know Your Customer requirements implemented in 2024. Cash App uses dynamic Bitcoin withdrawal fees that adjust based on network congestion. These fees typically range from $1 to $15 per transaction, but can vary significantly during high network activity periods. Important to understand, fees are calculated based on transaction size in bytes, not the dollar amount you're sending. This means sending $10 or $10,000 could have the same fee. Cash App has different withdrawal limits based on your account verification status. Unverified accounts are limited to $250 per week, while fully verified accounts can withdraw up to $100,000 per week. The verification process typically takes 1 to 3 business days and requires providing your full Social Security number, address verification, and a photo ID for enhanced limits. Following security best practices is crucial for safe Bitcoin withdrawals. Always verify wallet addresses before sending, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once confirmed on the network. Consider monitoring network fees and timing your withdrawals during low activity periods, typically weekends, to minimize transaction costs. Looking ahead, Cash App is implementing Lightning Network integration, expected to be fully available by Q2 2025. This will enable much faster transactions with fees under 1 cent for small amounts. Until Lightning Network is fully available, remember that current Bitcoin withdrawals require patience for network confirmations and careful attention to fees during high activity periods.